up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. So today's project, I've been hearing a lot about this new type of vinyl, the puff vinyl. So I actually purchased some puff vinyl off of Amazon, right? And I actually want to try it and see, do it actually work, how well it works, and man, all the different things that you could probably do with it. We're gonna both see together how well this do, and I'm gonna let you know. So hey, no further ado, we're not going over to the table of greatness, but we're going over to the computer. It don't have a name yet, but hey, give me time, I will work on it. So right now I'm going through the different fonts. And like I said before, if you ain't seen it, on this video, up in another video up in the corner, bing, up there, I talk about the font, where you can find some of your best fonts for the font, and you can upload them, how to upload them into your Cricut design space. Oh, I like the way that look. Let's go, let's try a couple other ones. What you think about that one, people? You got that one. I'm kind of rocking, I'm kind of feeling this one. Yeah, I think I'm moving on with that one. So now that you got the word, you actually got to size it. So you want to unlock it here. Then you just want to size it to as big or whatever like that. So when I'm doing it, I always like to have my ruler just to look and see how big it's actually going to look on the shirt. So let's go at least 10. Let me see. See, 9.5. Yep, that's a nice. I say that's nice. So we'll do that. We will have that right there on that. And what we'll do is, once you get the image that you actually want, you would actually just make it. It'll go over to the mat and it'll show you how big it would be on the mat. So then you actually want to mirror this image like that. So now that it's mirrored and everything, you'll want to actually just send it over to the Cricut maker, and you want to make sure your Cricut maker is on, because if it's not on, ain't nothing gonna be making. Okay, so now that I got my piece of vinyl cut out, what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's two sides, as you can see. One side is shiny, one side is not shiny. So you want the shiny side up, and you just want to place it on the mat. Make sure it's nice and secure. If it's not and your mat is no longer as sticky, just use some tape on the side, and then that'll hold it down. But right now this is good, so we'll do that. So now that it's all set to go, see how it came out. Okay. So far so good. It still looked like regular transfer vinyl. I don't see no difference in the vinyl yet. Look the same, you can see. but it is coming up pretty nice. It's not giving me a lot of struggle. I know a lot of people use weeding tools, but since I do have weeding tools, but I always just find to find that my seam ripper does a great job of weeding. So majority of the time I might be using that instead of a weeding tool, because I don't know, just something about the weeding tool that I haven't clicked in yet with. I just use my seam ripper. Maybe that's just the sower in me, so you know, I always gravitate back to my sewing supplies. So that's just me. So I'm trying not to rip the outer part, because I might actually want to use that part later in a different project. So, you know, try to make it as clean as possible, but you can always use that again for another project or for the same project. So now that I got that out, I will just weed out the center, just like so, and pull it up. And then put that part up, cut that up. Got an air bubble in there. Hope that doesn't affect it. Let's try to get that out. You know. Okay. But from the looks of it, it looked pretty good. I like it so far. Let's just see if it actually puffs up and how it's gonna work. So let's get over to the heat press. I'm just gonna heat press my shirt for about 10 seconds. Make sure it's up in there. Heat press it for about 10 seconds. Medium pressure. And your setting should be on at least 20 seconds. And I got it at 300 degrees. Let's see. So make sure you have a lint brush roller in case you see anything on the shirt you just want to get off. And I have my t-shirt ruler, so I can just measure out what I actually want the design to actually be. Wow, look hella cool. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's give it one more press and see. this done, let's take a look at this together so we can really see how well this puff vinyl is and how do it hold up. So I'm gonna try the shirt on for y'all. Let me just get into it right now. Okay, Don? Woo! Okay. Y'all like how I just changed real quick? I look real spiffy, don't you? Y'all know. But hey, check it out. What y'all think about it? What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? I like the way it feels. I like the way it looks. Check out the back. What y'all thinking? What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? No, yeah, I added that pocket right there just in case I have to put that dig. And you know what I'm saying? We don't want no problems. We don't want no problems. But I keep it right there, okay? But boom, just all right, let's go. All right, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. But anyway, what y'all think? Okay, I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. So I'm gonna actually say puff vinyl passes my test. You know what I'm saying? I recommend it. It gives your whole project a different type of look, a different type of feel. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got an embroidery machine and you trying to actually get something close to that level, the puff vinyl actually gives you something that's closer to the level of an embroidery machine without actually have to do any embroidery. Because if you ain't got an embroidery machine, you just ain't gonna be broidery, you know? But passes my test and I love it. And hopefully if you likes this kind of content that I'm giving y'all, please like, share, subscribe, drop your boy a comment, okay? And I appreciate that so much. You know what I'm saying? It helps me out and it helps you out because I want to be helping you and you helping me and we helping each other because we both friends. We both in this boy together. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, always about this time. Never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy, Sauce Boss. Until the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!